Hi, and welcome to a DebtBook feature flash. Today, we're looking at how DebtBook's filtering functionality makes it super easy to get greater visibility into your portfolio. One of the most powerful things about DebtBook is that it makes portfolio analysis a click button exercise. Instead of having to build complex pivot tables in Excel or query data to rerun reports, DebtBook lets you easily see your same data in different views so that you can quickly get the answer you're looking for. Going into the profile summary, I can see a complete view of my outstanding par as of the date I've selected, broken out by my outstanding credit types. Alternatively, I can also view my debt portfolio by how I've allocated it across my fund, purpose, and a customizable fourth dimension, which I've called project here. Within the credit type view, I can click into the general obligation credit type to see a detailed breakdown of my outstanding GO bonds. For example, within the general obligation bonds, I can see the allocated par across each issue, as well as if a single issue is allocated across multiple funds. Because DebtBook provides users with a single source of truth for their data, I can easily then toggle between different views or view as of a different date. With each click, the underlying calculations are automatically updated and the data can easily be exported to Excel for further analysis or reporting. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how DebtBook can help you simplify your portfolio analysis, visit debtbook.com.